polite and very ethical woman.
Right now, I don't want to talk to you.
No. I would like for you to repeat exactly what you said without using what small amount of brain capacity you hold. As a woman who should be supporting other women, has the audacity to say such disgusting, vulgar things, tell the men in the same room to rape women.
Right.
Really?
No, what happened to you now? Excuse me, what happened to you now? You wanted to have a discussion and tell me something about the length of my dress, right?
You don't want to talk now?
No, you wanted to talk about the length of my dress, right? What happened to it now? Where is the lecture now? I should get raped. That's what you told me, right?
आप जैसे लोग को ना देश को मिट्टी में मिलाते हैं
Excuse
क्योंकि
me.
आपको
Excuse me.
समझ में नहीं
Call the
आता.
police right now.
Oh, we should have called the police on you.
You do realize that I'm going to take footage. You do realize that I'm going to take footage from that restaurant and produce it as proof. You do realize that, right?
उसको छोड़ दीजिए. Excuse me.
1 second.
Right, भैया, आप करोगे. I'll call the police right now.
Listen, we have the footage. We can also do that.
आप करेंगी?
You apologize right now.
My mobile.
You apologize right now. Apologize right now.
Currently all over the social media.
आपको भी बता देंगे कि मेरे को रेप कर दो. आपको भी यही बोलेंगे.
ये हर जगह ये बोलती आए हैं.
You will apologize to me right now. Apologize right now.
How dare they? इधर आओ.
Excuse me.
Apologize right now.
That too in public.
Do you hear me? आपके लिए भी ऐसे बोल देंगे. Apologize right now. Apologize right now. I will make your life a living hell if you don't apologize. I promise you that. I will make you viral.
Please
I
try
will
this.
make you viral.
Apologize.
Please try
Apologize right
You
now.
have 100% right to make my life hell. Go ahead.
Say your words
ahead.
again. What did you say?
I will not say.
You will not say. Don't worry. I have your footage. You have the option right
You go
now.
ahead.
And you're currently.
I don't
You
know.
have the option right now to apologize for the words that you chose. You can apologize right now, or I will make sure that you go viral tonight. I will make sure that happens.
You're currently on social media going live.
Apologize.
Can you please repeat the words you said, Nukkad wala pe? At least don't apologize. Say the word. Oh, why? Are you ashamed? Are you ashamed?
We don't need a manager. We don't need a manager.
Can you
हमें भी नहीं पता था कि आप नुक्कड़ वाला पे ऐसे आ जाएंगे.
Ma'am, it's okay, but you are fighting.
Ma'am, first of all, I'm so sorry to interfere in this matter. I am a mother of 2 daughters. I don't mind my daughter wearing a swimming costume and walking on the street. You don't have any right to say anything about the girls wearing it. I'm so sorry.
Please
about it. You have to say sorry to her for commending it. I'm so sorry for that. Being a mother, I would never say, if you see the picture of my daughter, she wears dresses like this. But if anybody says like that, they are just being very formal with you. They are just being very genuine with you. मुंह से बात कर रहे अगर मैं होती तो आपके हाथ से बात करती. I would really appreciate. Being a lady, I'm telling you, you are encouraging the male outside. I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry
Okay,
to say.
now,
You have to say.
1 minute.
You wait. You have to say like this to her. Sorry, ma'am, for saying that. I'm sorry to say. You have to say like this to her. If you have said like this to her, I'm sorry that. At the moment, you have to say. Otherwise, this has to be called to the police now.
And just to mention, we also have the CCTV
If you want
footage.
to get this rafa from here,
All of that has been captured in CCTV. So
you
please
have
don't
to.
deny that.
So I'm sorry. This is.
तो क्या
I'm
हो
sorry.
जाएगा?
This is about.
क्या हो जाएगा?
No, ma'am, just a moment. At this moment, this is 1-to-1, mother to mother.
हाँ, okay.
आप इसलिए हाथ जोड़ के बस माफी मांग लो और आप चले जाओ. Nothing will happen to you now.
मैं क्या करूँगी तभी
आपने.
आपने नहीं.
You won't say.
तो
It's okay,
मैं
guys.
समझूंगी.
It's okay, guys. If you have commented this to a girl, I'm sorry. If you are a mother of a girl child, if your child gets raped, like this, what will happen to you? Do you know what the feeling of rape is?
So they should wear
No,
proper
no.
I am
She will
sorry.
wear like this, and that's what will happen to
The
you.
mentality of people.
You don't have any right to say anything about her.
Are you sure that this is
I'm fucking sure about it. Whether what the girl is wearing, it's her right. It's her right. She has the right to wear whatever damn thing she wants to wear. You don't have any comment. Is she your daughter? Is she your daughter? Is she your daughter?
No.
No, then just zip your mouth. Zip your mouth. You have to say sorry to her. Okay. None of the person over here has a right to say anything about what she wears. I'm sorry. It's your wish whether you apologize or not. It has to be captured now, and you will be called to the police. This is now become the right of a girl, not a woman. Nothing. This is what a right of a girl in India. In India.
Whatever they want to wear, they can.
They can. It's their right.
So why would you say rape the girl?
Is she forcing you to wear a bikini? Has she asked you to wear a bikini? No.
Is it a forcing subject to wear?
No, why are you forcing her to wear whatever she wants to wear?
Okay, concentrate on your own body, no?
No, let her flaunt. She has a body to flaunt. You don't have a body to flaunt.
Yeah.
If I
It's
have
all-
the body to flaunt,
Yeah, please go ahead.
No.
It's your call. आपका view है, वो उसका view
One
है.
more question.
आप
क्या
क्या-
जो सूट पहनती हैं, जो बुर्का पहनती हैं, 2-2 साल की बच्चियों का रेप नहीं होता? क्यों होता है? क्योंकि वो कपड़े नहीं पहनती।
आपको आपकी
क्यों
बात
वो
बहुत
बच्चों
गलत
का
है.
रेप क्यों नहीं होता? क्योंकि वो नंगी पैदा होती हैं। 2 साल की बच्चियों का
आप
रेप क्यों होता
औरतों
है?
की बात करो यार.
80 साल की
जाके
बुढ़ियों
क्या
का
करोगे?
रेप क्यों होता है? क्योंकि वो साड़ियाँ पहनती हैं।
वो साइकिक है फिर।
Amazing.
आप इधर किसी भी लड़के से पूछ लो, अभी इस जगह पे किसकी गलती है? आप लड़कों से पूछो, लड़कियों को तो मारो गोली. अभी
80 साल की
सारे
बुढ़ियों का
लड़कियों से
क्यों हो रहा है यार?
पूछो,
लड़कों की
इस
गलती
टाइम
है,
पे
लड़की की
किसकी
गलती
गलती
है?
है?
जो 80 साल के
आप
बुढ़ी को
80
रेप
साल
करते
को मारो.
हैं,
आप
जो 5
80
साल के बच्चे को रेप करते हैं, they are
आपकी
psychic.
तरीके के मेंटालिटी वाले लोग होते हैं.
मुझे लगते हैं कि जे
It's better you call the police. She's not apologizing.
Yeah, I think so.
I
Call the police.
Okay, sure. And just to ensure,
And
we
this
have
is
your
1 minute.
live
This is
video.
your shop, yaar.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't
मैंने
matter.
इधर कुछ किया?
आप क्या कर रहे
आपने
हैं?
वहाँ किया, वहाँ से तो आप भाग आई. आप
चलिए बाहर.
कम
कम.
बाहर से बाहर लफड़ा करो इसका. बाहर बेइज्जती करो इसका. कपड़ों में रेप करो.
चलिए. जब अगर नहीं अगर ऐसे
बाहर
होगा,
कपड़ों में रेप करो.
बाहर चलिए, प्लीज।
मैडम
आपके स्टोर में, आई एम सॉरी,
No.
बाहर चलिए।
लेकिन तो कपड़ों में रेप करो इनका. ऐसे लोगों का कपड़ों में
you are recording now? 1 minute.
No, call the
Hello,
police.
hello guys. This lady is want to wear short to short dress to encourage all to see them. Okay, wow, very good. Thank you.
And guys, this lady over
Yeah,
here
this
was
all
all
ladies-
girls rape.
Yes.
Who do that?
नहीं. All the ladies wear the shorted dress or naked to rap.
You are challenged.
Do you walk here?
Come out.
No.
1 minute. Hi all. If you are the parents, please control the girls. Please
Control the girl.
Control the girls.
control the girls for their behavior, for their dresses, and तमीज से बात करना.
Auntie has full tamiz, guys.
Thank you so much. And spread in the CCTV, spread in the all over India.
Yeah.
That's
That
what
girl
you're
is
doing.
It's okay.
I am okay, and now I am calling the police for 4 of you. And this lady, move the camera. This lady, she is supporting the child.
I support this girl. I'm always there.
मेरे तरफ घुमाओ. बिकिनी पहन के रास्ते से जाएंगे और कोई कुछ बोलेगा तो स्लैप करेंगे. वाओ.
लेकिन आपकी जैसे तो रेप हो जाएगा ना.
कोई कपड़े कुछ भी पहने. आंटी आपका कुर्ता बहुत टाइट है यार. बहुत टाइट है. बहुत टाइट है.
कुछ अंकल ना कर दे यार, मुझे डर लग रहा है।
क्या करें?
I think
She is psychic.